Hey everybody, this is Jason Heiner of Tech Republic, and today I'm going to share my thoughts about the iPhone 3GS smartphone from a business and IT perspective. We'll talk about the pros and cons of the device and where it fits in for business. Stick around. When the first generation iPhone was released, the real breakthrough was its touchscreen, which made it a smartphone that was easy to use for the first time. However, the device was not very useful for business users because it lacked integration with back-end messaging like Exchange. The 2.0 edition, iPhone 3G, brought Exchange ActiveSync and so allowed business users to get their corporate email, calendars, and contacts on the iPhone. The 2.0 iPhone also opened up the platform to third-party developers for the first time. With the third-gen iPhone 3GS, the S standing for speed, Apple has upped the internal horsepower of the device. Meanwhile, after a year of incubation, third-party developers have made the iPhone infinitely more useful with a wide array of apps that now do everything from helping you quickly catch a cab based on your GPS location, to reading the Wall Street Journal, to quickly accessing a company dashboard from an Oracle database, to tracking a FedEx package. So let's take a quick look at the pros and cons of the iPhone from a business perspective. First, let's start with the positives. Number one, accessing the web. With its big screen, fast processor, 3G connection, and great UI, the iPhone 3GS is the best smartphone in the market for browsing web pages, period. Number two, reading documents. Again, with the big screen, this is just a great reading device for PDFs, Word files, even ebooks and longer documents. Number three, strong multimedia. This device is excellent for viewing video files, listening to audiobooks and business podcasts, and even the built-in camera is pretty respectable. Number four, excellent apps. As we've discussed, the iPhone is developed into a powerful platform for third-party developers to bring lots of additional functionality to the device. Now for the drawbacks. Number one, hardware keyboard. The biggest limitation of the iPhone is its on-screen keyboard. For those who do heavy emailing, text messaging, or data entry, the iPhone is simply not as fast or as effective as a smartphone with a hardware keyboard. Number two, not as strong as Bez. Even with the new Exchange integration, the iPhone does not have the same level of security and IT manageability as you get with the BlackBerry Enterprise Server, which is still the IT department's smartphone platform of choice. Number three, limited to AT&T. In the US, the iPhone is limited to a single carrier, AT&T, and AT&T's coverage and network performance simply aren't good enough for business class usage in some parts of the country. I'm Jason Heiner, and this has been a quick look at the iPhone 3GS. For more, you can find my blog at heiner.techrepublic.com, and you can find me on Twitter at twitter.com/JasonHeiner. Thanks for watching. See you next time.